Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Material. Today we discuss about the topic how to solve the linear programming problems. Let us take an example. The linear function z is equal to 5x plus 3y, which is to be maximized, is a linear objective function of linear programming problems, which is subject to the some constants which are 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Let's start with first constant, which is 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. First we should write this in the form of 3x plus 5 is equal to 15, which is a equation. Name this equation 1. Now put x equal to 0 in the first equation, we get y equal to 3. After this, put y equal to 0 in the first equation, then we get x equal to 5. In this way, we get 2 points. The first is A, which is equal to 0 and 3, and the next point is B, which is equal to 5 and 0 as shown. Similarly, take the second constant, which is 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Write this constant in the form of equation, which is 5x plus 2y is equal to 10 and named it second. Now put x equal to 0 in the second equation, we get y equal to 5. Similarly, put y equal to 0 in the second equation, we get x equal to 2. In this way, we get 2 points which are C and D. The value of C is equal to 0 and 5 and the value of D is equal to 2 and 0 as shown. Now we have to mark the point A, B, C, D on the graph, which are obtained from the first and the second equation. Let's start with the first equation. We get 2 points from the first equation. These are A and B. Mark point A 0 and 3 and B 5 and 0 on the graph as shown in the figure. After marking the points A and B, join these points so as to make a line. This AB line denotes the equation 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. Similarly, we have to draw the points of the second equation on the graph. In the second equation, we get 2 points C and D. Mark the points C 0 and 5 and D 2 and 0 on the graph as shown in the figure. After marking the points C and D on the graph, join these points so as to make a line. This CD line denotes the equation 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. In order to predict the feasible solution which maximize the objective function of the linear programming problems, we have to shade the lines on the graph. In the first equation, 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 15. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. After put these values, we get 0 is less than or equal to 15, which is true, because 0 is always less than 15. If the condition is true, we have to shade the graph toward the origin. But if the condition is false, we have to shade the graph away from the origin. In this case, the condition is true, so we have to shade the graph toward the origin as shown in the figure. Similarly, we have to shade the second equation. In the second equation, 5x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. Put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. After put this value, we get 0 is less than or equal to 10, which is true, because 0 is always less than 10. As we already said that if the condition is true, we have to shade the graph toward the origin. So in this case also, we have to shade the graph toward the origin as shown in the figure. The common area where the shading of the above two lines meet is the resultant, which is used to maximize the objective function of the linear programming problems. Before predicting the maximized value, we have to find the intersection point of the lines, which comes in the area of the shading portion as shown in the figure. In order to find the intersection point, solve the two equations by using the elimination method and find the value of x and y. Here we solve the two equations by using the elimination method. After solving, we get x equal to 20 by 19 and y equal to 45 by 19. Write this value of the intersection point of the lines on the graph and named it point E. Now, to find the maximum value of z, we use corner points of the shaded portion of the graph. From the graph, the corner points which are used in the shaded portion are A, which is equal to 0 and 3, O, which is equal to 0 and 0, D, which is equal to 2 and 0, and E, which is equal to 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. Now, put the value of the different corner points one by one in the linear objective function, which is z is equal to 5x plus 3y. By putting the different values one by one in the linear objective function, we get the different corresponding value of z, which are 9, 0, 10 and 235 by 19. Here the maximum value is 235 by 19, which is the resultant of the given question. Hence the maximum value of the z is equal to 235 by 19, which occurs at the point 20 by 19 and 45 by 19. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.